Hey guys, it's Rachel. Hey guys, it's Rachel. Okay, yep, I got it. I got the audio figured out. Let me just fix my hair so that I look cute. Is it focused? Hey guys, it's Rachel. And I decided that it's time to do another DIY video. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make lipstick out of toothpaste, but also mouthwash. Give this video a thumbs up for more DIYs and comment down below what color lipstick you would make. But also guys, I don't know if you guys saw, if you follow me on Instagram or Twitter or Snapchat or basically anywhere besides YouTube, you would know that I was in a Forbes article. So click the link down below to see the Forbes article and watch the Forbes interview. It's pretty cool. And also follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link down below. I might start doing like an Instagram follower of the week type of thing where like if you're active on all my pictures and comment on every picture and like it, blah, 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 then I'll show you guys in the YouTube video being like the Instagram shout out of the week. So I'll give you guys a shout out every week. Okay, so let's get on to making this DIY.
First, we'll be making the mouthwash lip gloss. Is it weird? Yeah, but you knew what you were getting when you clicked on this video. Now, grab a small container to store the lip glosses in. Take whatever mouthwash you please. I'm using the kids one because I like the way it smells better, and pour a little bit into each container. Then take some food coloring, whatever color you please, and add one little drop into each one. Then put the lid on and shake it up. Now take some coconut oil and pour it into each container. Put the lid on it and shake that up until it's all mixed. And they're all a good amount of pigmented, the amount you want for a lip gloss. To make the toothpaste lipstick, which is actually the most pigmented DIY I've ever done, I'm not even lying, add some white toothpaste to a small container. And contrary to your current belief, it's not drying at all. It's probably the most moisturizing lipstick I've ever used. And add whatever food coloring you want to make the lipstick color. Then add some Vaseline into it. And mix them all up. And now you have that. It took maybe a minute. Now to make it look all clean and Kylie Jenner-esque, now to try it on the actual lips. And that's all for this DIY.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't see my previous 2 videos, click those down below and subscribe right over there if you're not subscribed already. Okay, I love you guys so much. Bye!